Good morning, guys. It is now 5:30 a.m. I'm here at Portmarnock at the Velvet Strand. That's a swimming shelter. Got my Leica Q with me ready to go. Gonna shoot some silhouettes. Have the drone with me. It's partially cloudy, so I should be able to get some nice footage. And hopefully with all this lovely colour behind me, which I don't normally shoot. If you're aware and a fan of my channel, you'll know I shoot mainly black and white. I should get some nice shots. Also, I have a new Batmobile. For those of you who know, I don't drive, unfortunately. But I changed my mountain bike and I got a lovely new one. And I think the colour suits my personality. So, like my personality, the colour is mental. So, I hope you stay tuned to this episode. Thanks for watching. Thank you for all my new subscribers. And welcome to Portmarnock.
Subscribe to Renee Brood Official.
So basically, guys, what I'm trying to do is I'm going to get a few sunrise shots, which I don't normally do, but sometimes it's nice to change things up instead of black and white and street photography all the time. Up top of the main road, you've probably seen earlier in the video, I got one or two nice silhouettes with the bright sky and the different colors in the background. So now I'm just going to get what I would call a generic shot. I'm going to see how it pans out and what we can get here. So I'm using the Leica Q 28mm lens. It's a fixed lens on the camera. It has an aperture 1.7 right up to f/22. Now it's currently giving me an ISO 450 at a shutter speed of 80 a second. So let me just change the aperture a little. I'm going to go right down to f11. Just going to stop it down a little and see how that looks. Okay. I'm going to do an f22 as well. This time I'm just going to focus in on the dark part of the sand. Again, okay, nothing too impressive. And now I'm going to do an f1.7. Much better. I'm going to have to make way now to some swimmers coming here. So I'll stop this for a moment and get the drone up again.